Ready to install your ZLINE DuraMount insert range hood? First, always plug the unit in to test the fan and lights before it goes into the wall. Next, verify your spacing. The hood must sit between 30 and 36 inches above your cooking surface. Ideally, your mounting structure should align with 2 wall studs. In our setup, one stud aligns perfectly with a right side keyhole slot, while the second stud lines up with the left side flange. Because we only have one stud hitting a keyhole, we're installing a drywall anchor for the left keyhole slot. Install a mounting screw at each keyhole location. You absolutely need 2 secure keyhole points to safely hang the hood before locking it down. Leave both screw heads protruding about 1/4 inch so the hood's keyholes can slide securely into place. Grab a partner to lift the hood. Align the keyholes and hang it securely. Once it's up, tighten both keyhole screws completely so the unit stays firmly in place. Now, complete the remaining mounting points as needed for your installation, using the available side mounting locations to fully secure the unit for long-term stability. Crucial step: connect and seal your rigid metal ductwork right now, before the custom enclosure goes on and blocks your access. If you're installing a custom enclosure, you'll want to utilize the front perimeter mounting holes for extra support. To reach them, simply back out the screws on the light panel, carefully lower it, and pinch the quick connect plugs to remove the panel completely. With the front holes exposed, slide your custom enclosure over the insert until it's perfectly flush. From inside the hood cavity, drive screws through the front and side perimeter holes straight into your custom frame. Snap the wire connectors back together and reinstall your light panel. Finish up by sliding in your removable baffle channel and popping in the dishwasher-safe filters. Turn the power on and enjoy your new kitchen centerpiece.